thanks to a company like yours, now we not only have that we can do at the same point of care, but now we can take that sample, send it to you, and you can expand those stem cells, and they can be reused and reused for many, many sessions. And that's where it's key, because it's not the medicine for today, it's the medicine for the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, how many years you want to live.
Yeah, and I'll talk a little more on the bank in a second, American Cell Technology, but I think maybe from your listeners, just like, they might think that this is a very invasive procedure, takes days at a time. Like maybe you want to walk through like how easy or what time consuming it is just to bank or even to get that same day procedure, what that looks like side by side.
Right, so I mean, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll actually see a video of me getting harvested, getting my own stem cells for my use and also for banking. And I mean, it's a very quick procedure. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes. It's done under local anesthesia. Basically, you can come in on a regular day. You're after we do some markings. We'll infiltrate a local anesthesia with some saline and then very carefully extract it. That extraction can either be processed for stem cells used the same day or sent actually to American Cell Technology, where it's conveniently shipped. They screen it, they clean it, and then they expand it, and then they save it for you, and you guys cryopreserve it. So if you do that when you're young like me, I mean, I'm 47, but I'm actually I'm a lot younger than that in other years. But if you do that, then you've frozen your cells at 43, and then you can use them, reuse them again. I mean, we're going to be doing this for a very long time. I mean, this is the future. Regenerative medicine is, I'm telling you, and recovery. I'm going to talk about that too. But go ahead, Kevin.
No, yeah, and it's so simple when you take the fat out, and I think that's where patients don't realize, like, ones could come in on their lunch break, or if they're already getting a fat harvest for some other procedure, you can just, all we're looking for is 20 cc's of fat. Unprocessed, the most basic form. Patients go back on their daily life. Usually they just have some slight bruising, but when the cells get to our lab, it takes about 6 weeks for us to isolate the mesenchymal stem cells. We have a CGP, so Current Good Tissue Practice, FDA registered and inspected lab, where we will isolate the MSCs and let them naturally self-replicate and culture expand in a controlled environment. And our highly skilled lab techs will manually process these cells, all individually based, no cross-contamination between other samples. There we'll do our infectious disease. You will send an infectious disease screening for these patients just to see if there's any uncurable, quote-unquote, infectious diseases they have, just to protect them in the future. And then we will do our contamination controls and quality control processing. We'll do live cell count, viability count, and then, yes, we'll cryopreserve those cells in time. So you'll have, your 46-year-old cells stored in time to use throughout your life. And right now, there's so many good use cases, which we'll get into, of people using their own mesenchymal stem cells. And I really do believe that is the building block even of the future. In 10, 15, 20 years from now, I'm not sure what stem cell therapy is going to be, but there is a lot of cool technology coming out, and we're going to be at the forefront of that. But I really think the building block is going to be your own cells. And then if there is some sort of patent or other biotech company that could take your cells and amplify them, even to make them better down the road, awesome. But for now, we're even seeing so many really great results across the board in different specialties.